Are you struggling to scroll through your UI collection view cells with just a click of a button? You're not alone. Today, we're going to solve that problem together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you want to navigate through your collection view smoothly, but it just doesn't work the way you expect. You're definitely in the right place to find a solution. Here's the situation. One user asked how to scroll through the UI collection view cells by clicking on left and right buttons. They want to move 5 items at a time to the left or right. Sound familiar? Let's dive into how we can make that happen. So what's the issue here? The UI collection view needs to respond to button clicks to change its content offset, allowing users to scroll through items seamlessly. We'll break down the steps to implement this functionality. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will enhance your UI collection view experience even further. To implement the scrolling functionality in the UI collection view, the user should first create 2 buttons, one for scrolling to the right and another for scrolling to the left. Next, the user needs to define the actions for these buttons. When the right button is clicked, the UI collection view should scroll to the next 5 items. Conversely, when the left button is clicked, it should scroll back to the previous 5 items. Now let's implement the scrolling logic. The user can use the scroll to item method of UICollectionView to achieve this. The user should calculate the new index path based on the current visible items. Finally, the user should ensure that the scrolling does not exceed the bounds of the array. This means checking if the new index path is valid before attempting to scroll. Fun fact, did you know that UI Collection View was introduced in iOS 6? It has come a long way since then, making it easier to create beautiful layouts. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests a simple approach to scroll the UI collection view. They recommend using a variable to track the current index and updating the content offset of the collection view when the right button is clicked. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always ensure your item width is calculated correctly. This will help maintain a smooth scrolling experience. And there you have it. You can now scroll through your UI collection view cells with just a click of a button. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.